Oh, hi guys. It is miserable here. It's 86 degrees and 76% humidity. We was having a little cookout and we got burnt out. Our clothes was sticking to us. My hair was sticking to my neck and I kept pulling it off. Oh my gosh, it was just miserable. Finally, we said we give up. We'll do it when it's cool weather. But I thought I'd jump on here and spend a little time with you and get cooled off. I fixed the hand. I went ahead and fixed that finger. So now she's got 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers and a thumb. Because her hand's like this. She ain't got 5 fingers and a, yeah. So, got that fixed. And I thought I could. It's been a beautiful day. We got a much needed rain this morning. It was raining. They was talking about storms, but it never happened, which I'm glad. You know how I feel about storms. But we was needing the rain. So, tomorrow, our welcome women, we do that once a month. And we have a Bible study. And and every time we finish a Bible study, we pick somewhere to go to just eat out and fellowship and spend some time together. And so we're going to Bread of Life in Liberty. If you've never been there, oh, it is wonderful. Just a wonderful time. Anytime you can spend time with your sisters in Christ, it's a good time. And we laugh and have the best time. And the food at this place is so good. If you've never ate at Bread of Life and you got one near you, you need to try. Just try. To me, it puts me in the mind of Cracker Barrel because it's got the little vintage stuff out front, like the clothes, the knickknacks, all that kind of stuff. And then you go into this other room and it's got chairs. There's 2 big rooms and then it has a huge bar. Well, so, but that's always a good time. So, I always look forward to that. Well, Bella was outside and I brought her in. It was just too hot for her to be outside. Of course, sorry about that. Of course, she did not like being outside. I mean, inside and me outside. She just had a big old fit on that one. But I wasn't going to take a chance on her getting too hot. So it was like, I don't care what kind of fit you throw, I'm not going to bring her out in the heat. That's another reason why I didn't stay out long, because it's just too hard on her. Now she loves my neighbor, the one that lives right next door to me. Her name is Donna. And Bella just loves her. She sees her, she just goes all to pieces. Trying to get to her, just to love on her. So and she's got a key to my apartment, so when I'm gone, a lot of times she'll come over and take her out. The only thing is, she don't like putting her on a leash. Well, for Bella's own safety, I put her on a leash. It's not because I want her on a leash. It's just safety. So, and then tomorrow night, we got the Alpine, and I'll try to get a video of them, like I did the ones behind the house. Bella paid no attention to the fireworks. Now, my sister Donna had a little chihuahua. Oh my goodness. That little thing would shake so hard you'd think she was going to shake out her skin. And Donna would stay inside to try to keep her calm. But bless her little heart, there was no calming her. And some dogs are scared of the fireworks. So, but I took her out And I was thinking when I first got her, she was okay with the fireworks, but hey, that's been a whole year. I couldn't think that far ahead. And so, anywho, I thought, okay, if I take her out and she starts having a fit, being scared, I'll just come in. I won't, make her stay out. Because that'd just be wrong of me forcing her to stay out in something that's going to scare her. So, but she was fine. She laid in my lap and slept the whole time when it was out there. Until what little time I showed you on the video. She's laying here beside me. She couldn't get it any closer if I had pockets. Did you see?